Hello friends, welcome to eBoy Planet channel. So in this video we will be discussing about the OnePlus Watch. So as we know, many of them were waiting for a release of OnePlus Watch from long time, and finally the wait is over, guys. So in this video we'll be discussing about the specifications and some recent leaks of OnePlus Watch. So for firstly, it has been declared that officially by OnePlus company that the OnePlus Watch would be coming alongside the OnePlus 9 Pro. So we'll be expecting the OnePlus Watch released by I guess March 23, and the OnePlus Watch specifications are as follows. Firstly, the OnePlus Watch comes with IP68 dust and water resistant, guys. So it has a certified rating, and it also supports warp charge. As you know, OnePlus phones, most of the OnePlus phones support warp charge. So the OnePlus Watch also comes with the warp charge support, which means it can like if you charge for 20 minutes, then your watch might give a backup of 7 days, which is actually very cool. So this is the battery life of OnePlus Watch. And one more, the best feature is it has 4 GB internal storage, and you can store all the little photos, like anything, apps and all. And one more thing is it has a, as you know, the design of it is actually a round dial. That means not like, unlike Apple Watch, which means which could give a rectangle like design. For OnePlus Watch, you have round dial display, and it has the silicone strap, and the charging. As I said, it has 20 minutes and it gives 7 days of battery, and it can be used as remote for OnePlus TV. That means if you own a OnePlus TV, then you can control the channels using your OnePlus Watch. So the next best features are, it supports swimming mode, it has sleep tracking, it has heart rate, it has SpO2 monitoring, and many more features. And these are the best features. So when it comes to pricing of OnePlus Watch, guys, it is around 9,999, which is equal to 10,000 Indian rupees. So I think the pricing is better as compared to other smartwatches, because as you know, the basic model of Apple Watch comes around 20 or 19,000, and the OnePlus Watch for 10,000 is actually a great good price. So this was all about OnePlus Watch, guys. So if you want more updates about OnePlus Watch and all, you please make sure that you subscribe to my YouTube channel eBoy Planet. So thanks for watching, guys.